Alright, so good morning, good morning. Meron nga tayong customer at taga saan pre customer mo? So meron ulit tayo guys customer at stainless elbow lang for ADV 160 at COD via Lalamove bound to Paranaque. Alright, so COD yan guys via Lalamove. Pagdating doon ng product saka kami babayaran via GCash. So napakabilis lang ng transaction guys, ano? Only here guys at Marjo Accessories and Mufflers located at Metro Village Subdivision, Puok, Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Alright.